Hey photographers, are you trying to get more out of your editing? Specifically, are you trying to get comfortable with Adobe Photoshop? Well, Service Photo has the class for you. On Tuesday, April 7th, Service Photo is going to host Photoshop Groups and Blending. This is a class specifically designed to help you understand blending, blend modes, and using groups to elevate your Photoshop experience. This class is 2 hours long, live and online with a Q&A session at the end. You also get a recording of the events as well as detailed class notes. Blending and Blend If are tools that you use in Photoshop to create effects and have editing experiences that you just can't replicate in other editing softwares. This is where we start to separate the editing we can do in Photoshop from anything you have done before. So if you want to get your editing up to the next level, I really hope that you'll sign up on the website or in the links below with Service Photo, and I will see you in the classroom.